Mom's Pussycats.
Oh, hello.
In this way.
Thank you.
So is this your first time here?
Yes, this is my first time.
All right. I just kind of want to ask you some questions to match you up with what you like.
Okay.
So what are you into?
Well, I'm a very freaky guy, and my wife's not into some of the stuff I like, so I heard about this place from a couple of friends, and I thought I'd stop by and see what it's actually like. Yeah.
Well, we got some freaks for you. First, we have Cherry. Next, we have Brittany. And then finally, we have the lovely Dolly.
Alright, so I can have any one of these lovely ladies?
Any one you want. And any of these lovely ladies will pretty much do anything you want.
That sounds really good.
Shop around.
Thank you. I'll get to shopping. Alright, well, I picked Brittany.
Nice choice.
Okay, thank you. So I can just take her?
You can.
Okay.
Should I bring my belt?
Hell yeah, baby.
Right. What do you want to do first?
Alright, well, I brought a little present for you.
What are you going to do with that?
You can use your imagination, baby. Hey, baby, where are you going?
What's wrong with you?
That guy's a complete freak.
Cherry, want to take a crack at him?
No problem.
So do you think you can handle me? Hey, baby, you ready for this?
Hell no!
What? It's only a harmless rancor!
What the heck? You too?
Cherry ain't even that freaky.
Fucking amateurs! Bring it on.
Oh, can you handle this pussy?
Want my fucking belt back.
Holy shit. Well, I thought I was a fucking freak.